Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Here is another DIY video on how to make your homemade oil using onion, garlic and ginger. This oil is great for your hair and your scalp. It's important to treat the scalp and nourish it to address multiple problems of the scalp. Scalp treatment works by tackling issues from the root, promoting blood circulation and revitalizing the follicles. I decided to use all three ingredients, onion, garlic and ginger, but you can choose to use just one or do whatever combination you want. I do the grating method because I don't want any water in my oil, which you have to separate from the oil so it doesn't go bad quickly. Onion is an excellent source of sulfur, a vital element needed for hair growth. It also prevents premature graying of hair and treats dandruff. It contains a lot of essential minerals and vitamins such as vitamin C, calcium and potassium, just to mention a few. The fatty acids in ginger are beneficial for thin hair and also helps treat dandruff. One of the biggest benefits of ginger is the ability to reduce scalp inflammation. It contains vitamins, magnesium, potassium and phosphorus, which provide your hair follicles with nourishment, making them stronger and preventing hair loss. Garlic is also a natural ingredient used in the kitchen, rich in vitamins and minerals which promote healthy hair. It adds antifungal properties which can help kill bacteria and fight germs, keeping your scalp healthy. After letting the oil sit for several hours to further infuse, pour it into a jar without squeezing out the ingredients too much to avoid water going into the oil. And as I said earlier, we don't want the oil to go bad in few days. Add few drops of peppermint and rosemary oil. Essential oil is optional, but it can also help with the smell of the oil. Essential oils have their benefits and a role to play in the scalp treatment. Store it in the fridge or keep it in a dark, cool place. Just to show you guys how the oil looks the next day, and also I personally don't use coconut oil in this type of recipe. I don't want it to solidify after a few days, mostly if you live in a cold area. While preparing the oil, I used penetrating oils for this recipe, which are avocado and olive oil, to make sure the oil penetrates into the scalp and hair while letting it sit. And also used grapeseed oil as a sealant to seal in all the moisture. I massaged our hair both with my fingers and a scalp massager. Massaging the oil into scalp and hair improves blood circulation into the hair follicles, and these ingredients can provide extra sulfur to support strong and thick hair, preventing hair loss and promoting hair growth. Always take 10 minutes of your time to massage your scalp. It increases blood flow to the scalp and can be very effective as a stress reducer. You can cover it up with a plastic cap, let it sit for 45 to 60 minutes, then co-wash your hair, using just your conditioner to wash your hair. Using conditioner to wash the hair keeps and maintains moisture because that is what we want. In my next video, there's going to be a continuation for the scalp treatment to show you guys the final process of taking care of your scalp. Stay tuned, see you all in my next video, and thanks for watching.